Subscribe now. LG Q7 is among the most anticipated new products in 2018. A key feature of the upcoming device will be the combination of a large bezel-less display with an affordable price tag. This is what made the current LG Q6 a real hit of sales. It should be noted that smartphones of line LG Q have a more compact size. In particular, the diagonal of the screen is 5.5 inches with a 78.0% coverage of the front surface, and the dimensions correspond to classical devices with matrices of 5.1-5.2 inches. In any case, LG has something to object to its competitors. Firstly, this is the face recognition function, which is currently available mainly for top-end smartphones like Apple iPhone X and the same Galaxy S8. And only LG, not including some Chinese, offers this feature in the models of mid-price range. From its predecessor, LG Q7 should inherit a rugged case of impact-resistant glass and metal, meeting the protection standards of IP68 and MIL-STD810G. None of the smartphones from competitors of the South Korean company offer something like this, unless you take into account the especially protected Galaxy S8 Active. Released in 2017, LG Q6 was criticized repeatedly for a weak hardware. For this reason, one should expect that new smartphone will receive a more advanced specifications, for example, Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 mobile processor instead of Snapdragon 435. 4 GB of RAM LPDDR4X. Built-in storage 32/64 of a gigabit, depending on the modification. Support for NFC, LG G6 does not have in all versions. Bluetooth 5.0,